Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So in this video, we will see about the HTML. Okay, so what is the HTML and what are the things? Okay, so we will create a one playlist for this HTML. So you can go through with this HTML videos. Okay, first we need to understand the what is the HTML first of all. Okay, if we are going with the like creation of any kind of web pages or something like that, we need to understand what is the purpose of this HTML. Okay, so the HTML stands for the what? Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, so and it is like a standard markup language for to create the web pages. You can say that. So if I want to create any kind of web pages, I need a HTML. So HTML will create a what? Structure for our web pages and also like content. Okay, for example, so you might have seen any kind of web pages. For example, there is like uh, KFC or any kind of McDonald's or any other web pages you might have seen. So there are some kind of headings will be there and some kind of images will be there. There is a button also will be there which is clickable. Okay. So those are all things how it is added. Those all will be added by using the what HTML. Okay. So this HTML acts like a skeleton of that web page. For example, if, is our body is there. So to stand or to support our body, so there is skeleton, right? So without a skeleton, we cannot stand, right? The same thing, HTML is also helpful for us to stand our web page, means it creates the structure for our web pages. Okay. So I hope this, what is the HTML you understood. I hope this video is helpful for you to understand what is the HTML. Okay. If you like our videos, please hit on the like button and share and also subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.